and welcome. Thanks for joining me for another great tutorial. Today we're just going to be having a look at WordPress and how to adjust the images so that they're justified either to the left or to the right in your WordPress post. Okay, so here we go. First of all, take your image and then resize it. Select the image, and on the top toolbar that appears called Justify, which is the fourth one along, select Right. That will justify your image to the right hand side. Now you can just click on Preview. As you can see, it doesn't look very good with a huge text block, so we can fix that. Just go back into your editor and make a space between any text to bring it down. If you find you've still got too much space, just use the arrows to move it either up or down. That looks perfect. Now let's justify it back to the left. As you can see, the text is now nicely wrapped around the image. Thanks again for watching this tutorial. Hope you found it useful. Leave a comment and subscribe and like to the video. Thanks very much. Bye bye.